to be talking about today is this right here. The direct connection stage 1 kit. Direct connection is a factory modification. So this will help you maintain your warranty. Ding, ding, ding. Hellcat owners, more horsepower, still covered under warranty. Pretty excellent. So if we open this up here, right, it comes with some packets, some information. And believe it or not, what's pretty neat is Dodge gives you a really cool keychain that says direct connection that comes with it. And that direct connection has your tune file here on the back. And that's what is input into the system to indicate which stage you're looking to put onto the car. And then when the dealership applies it, that's what cranks you up to that horsepower that you're looking for. So stage 1 takes you up to 757. And it also comes with what a lot of people believe is a major game changer, and that's the transmission tune that they put into these cars. Okay, that transmission tune allows you to be able to have quicker drag times. It also allows the car to protect the transmission. So with the added horsepower, it could potentially cause damage to the transmission, but that tune allows it to stay safe. And just a reminder, right? This thing is covered under factory warranty. I don't know how awesome y'all realize that is, but you know, imagine getting your brand new Hellcat, you do some modifications, and then you find out that your car blew up going down the street and it's no longer covered. So the fact that this thing is still covered, has extra horsepower, and there's another stage kit to come, taking this thing close to 800, is awesome. Okay. The stage 1 kit cost the owner of this vehicle about $5,000. So what does that get you? It gets you a new air intake, it gets you the tuner, and it also gets you that lower pulley system. And then for the stage 2, it's probably just an upgraded tune and maybe some newer equipment, maybe the 8 rib from the Red Eye. We're still waiting to see what comes from that. But this is an awesome package. I mean, look at the way this thing looks. And to have that 757 that's covered under the factory, this isn't something you're going to see probably ever again. So, all right, guys. So, taking you to the inside of the car, we're going to show you what the tuner is. It's similar to the Diablo Trinity 2 tuner. And if you look here, there's several different modes within this thing. So you can see different gauges and whatnot. It talks about, you know, your high octane modes and everything, right? That's probably something to come. So looks like it's not available at this present time, but that's something that's going to be coming. So maybe that's part of the next kit. But as you can see, there's a lot of different gauges to the car that you can see from this tuner to keep everything in line, make sure everything is running correctly. You also have, if you look up here, you also have your similar Hellcat information. But if I click this drive mode button, you can see right here 757 horsepower. And that's what makes this modification significant. You're getting 757 horsepower. There's custom transmission tuning uploaded also with this tuner. And like I said previously, it's covered under warranty. The ability to add this horsepower, yeah, it's not a bunch like if somebody did a lower pulley themselves, but the fact that you get upgrades from the factory is a huge plus. And what Dodge did here is something that you only see in primarily one other brand on the American side of things, and that's Yanko. Okay, Yanko Camaros was a dealer option that you could get that would be covered under factory warranty. So the fact that Dodge kind of brought this back into play and they're including these stage kits, and I know Ford has talked about doing a supercharger kit now for the Mustangs as well. It's really cool that as these cars slowly are on their decline, which sucks, it's pretty cool to see these kits coming out for them so that they can be upgraded and things like that and still be protected by the manufacturer. It says a lot about, you know, what these car companies believe in their customers, and they recognize what their customers want. So I hope you guys thought that was pretty cool what this here looks like, and if you're looking to get one, definitely search around. I don't think they're going to be around too long, so make sure you guys call your dealerships and see if you can't find one yourself. Now for